Hey friends, Sultan here. I had an interesting call today. Let's get back a couple of days. A couple of days ago, I received an email from a guy that wanted to help me with my YouTube strategy, which is always welcome. You always want to improve whatever you're doing. And he created a Loom video, so a small animated video with my YouTube channel and saying, hey, I can help you increase viewership and subscribers. We have a methodology and so on. And I thought, hey, why not? Let's talk to this guy. So I clicked the button, made an appointment, and then I met one of his sales guy. His sales guy he asked me a couple of questions at the start of the call, try to understand my objectives, what I'm doing, where I'm from, what I'm doing, and so on. And then started pitching the company from that guy. The call lasted for, I think, 40 minutes. And what he was trying to sell me is trying to sell the support package that they have, which is not cheap, and which was a way too large amount for me to decide on the spot. I wanted to do this video because I've seen that in many cases where a sales rep is really trying to get his product sold, but is missing what I'm trying to bring with a value coach concept, which is that you need to bring end value and trust. And even though he came over as trusted and a very nice guy, I think I really liked the guy, he was really doing his best, the value was bringing was very limited. The only value he showed me was that the guy that created the video, the owner of the business, was amazing. And he had some great pictures with and he knows some of the best YouTubers in the UK, which honestly, I don't care about. I didn't even know those guys, but apparently they're big. So I was trying to tell him that you want me to give you money, but I don't know why I would give you money. You haven't proven any value. You haven't told me anything valuable about my business, about what I'm doing. And so it's probably something we all need to take into consideration, is that whenever we want to have a call with a customer and get them somewhere, we need to bring some value. We need to bring a point of view and not just some random high-level stuff. We tend to do that. I know that we tend to not go deep enough, but we do a disservice to our customers and we do a disservice to our businesses. We really need to come well prepared to the calls, to the meetings, and come with a point of view and providing me some guidance. So what I was asking him is, hey, tell me what you have seen and tell me what you will do differently. And the only thing he was able to tell me is that we'll give you some videos IDs and some YouTube thumbnails IDs, and we'll guide you over the next 100 days. And thanks, but no thanks. So next time you have a call with your customers, and I'll apply that to myself as well, is whenever we have a call, we need to come well prepared with a point of view on an idea on where can we help them move their business forward, bring the expertise that we have, and make sure that we help them get there. So this was my feedback / rant / whatever. Thanks for being there. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.